I seen a homeless man hoping for a dollar, hoping for some change. And I'm a working class man hoping for the same goddamn thing. We gotta help ourselves today before we hope ourselves today. If we want peace, we need consequences. We're singing Kumbaya while they're putting up fences. They're trying to keep us apart from what we made. They'll try to charge you $1 just to dig your own grave. We gotta help